Real people, real cases. This is Verdict Watch.
Calls case of the people versus Judge Jane, I think Martin.
Johnny.
Okay. No, I did that the last time. You were much nicer about correcting me this time, but come on.
Good.
Said it nice this time. The last time it was like I had insulted her whole family. Anyway, go ahead.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Miss Martin. Miss Martin, please state your name again.
Johnny Martin.
Chris Blair on behalf of probation. Your Honor, Ms. Martin is before the court for a violation of probation period. Ms. Martin has been on probation for 2 years for a reduced charge of assault and battery. In this case, Your Honor, Ms. Martin has made no payments to the court. Her balance is $1,530. Probation has failed to receive completion of the CPS Family First Program and Parenting class. Ms. Martin also failed to report to probation after April of 2024. And Your Honor, her probation term is maxed in this case. Given that these items were not completed, probation is recommending that Ms. Martin serve 93 days in jail with credit for 1 day served, that she served the balance, waive remaining terms, accept the financial obligations, and discharge her from probation.
Ms. Perry.
Your Honor, I was able to speak with Miss Martin about these issues. She believes that she did complete the CPS and parenting class. She's been trying to get in touch with them for the last week or so to get proof of that. She has called the case manager that was on the case. She no longer works there. She gave her another number at CPS. They told her they would call her back. It's kind of she's been, thwarted by bureaucracy. So I'm asking to adjourn this hearing out a bit so she can continue working on that. Again, she remembers completing it, but it has
Why
been.
didn't that information get to probation?
Frankly, Your Honor,
I can tell you why, because she never reported to probation.
she did. And that is the allegation, Your Honor. Around the time that this was all happening, the father of her 2 youngest children was killed in Washtenaw County. And I think she's a single mother. That kind of, greatly affected her life. And she's been dealing with the repercussions of that since that happened in June of 2023. So she wants to get proof to probation. She's just having trouble doing so.
What about payment? I have no payment. I have no reporting to probation. I have nothing.
I just started working out.
She has 5 children?
Yes.
5 children, 11, 8.
11, 9, 8, 3, and 1.
So she, for a long time, didn't have childcare to care for her children and work.
I just started working. I can't make a payment when I get my check. It is
How come you
hard.
didn't report to probation?
I don't know. Like I had after my child's father passed away in my apartment complex, I just shut down. It was real hard on me.
I get all that, but I guess the last time you were before the court was in February. You're going to pay the fines and costs by March 3rd. No payments. You would report to probation. No reporting to probation. I'm assuming you were supposed to complete the Family First program and parenting classes. I don't have any proof of any of that.
Yes, I completed it. I went to Orchard's Family Children and Family Services. I think that's what it's called.
When?
I finished that class in 2023. I just didn't report it.
So you're saying that was completed before I sentenced you?
Yes.
Or I can try to look, to see what the prosecutor's office may have.
What
I
the
can-
prosecutor's office may have?
Yeah, I mean, maybe it was provided to them to reduce the charge, as this charge did originate as a child.
Anything else from anybody?
Nothing from me, Your Honor.
Ma'am, anything else you want to tell the court?
I was just give me some time to like make the payments. Like I'm all my kids got, like, I don't really want to go to jail. I'm already have.
Should have been keeping in track with probation.
Right.
You just didn't do anything.
I know that I did the, excuse me, I know I did.
Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna waive the remaining terms of separate financial obligations. I'll discharge her from probation without improvement. What I am gonna order is that she's to serve 93 days in jail. I'll give her credit for the 1 day. She's to serve the balance. I will strongly consider release if I get proof of completion of that class. All right, you're still gonna owe the money. You need to set something up with the court. You're going today, but if they get me proof of that, then I'll consider release. I'm not guaranteeing that I'll release you, but at least I could have something to look at that says you did something.
Okay, can I at least call, can we call the people,
Call which people?
for the,
You can talk to your attorney. We can figure out a way to make the call, but right now you're going. Defendant's remanded.
Thanks for watching Verdict Watch. New court drama every day. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a case. Leave a comment with your thoughts. We're watching too.